Zero-gravity chairs have moved beyond luxury lounge items to essential outdoor and indoor relaxation tools. They combine ergonomic design, adjustable recline, and breathable fabrics to reduce pressure on the spine and joints, while offering portability and easy storage. For waterfront decks, patios, camping trips, or balcony setups, a solid zero-gravity chair can dramatically improve comfort during sun, shade, or late evening gatherings.
Product number 1. FDW Zero Gravity Lawn Lounge Chairs Set of 2 with Pillow. This set of 2 FDW Zero Gravity chairs emphasizes a straightforward, no-fuss entry into weightless lounging. Key features include a comfortable reclining range, adjustable headrest, and integrated cup holder trays for drinks or small items. The chairs arrive fully assembled and fold for storage with a stated weight capacity of 250 pounds. The textile material is described as durable, ventilated, and suitable for seasonal use with cushions as needed. Price-wise, it sits at the budget end of the spectrum, offering good value for families or homeowners seeking multiple chairs for a deck or yard. Performance-wise, the FDW chairs prioritize stable support without a dramatic backward tipping sensation, providing just enough recline pressure to keep you in position. The lock of assembly simplifies setup, and the foldable design makes storage behind a dresser or in a closet feasible. The included pillows and cup holders boost comfort and practicality, especially for casual outdoor lounging. However, the weight capacity of 250 pounds is a limitation for heavier users, and the 2-pack design means you'll likely want to balance usage between chairs rather than relying on a single frame for more intense daily use.
Product number 2. SUTEC Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair. This SUTEC XXL model is designed to maximize capacity and comfort, featuring a 500-pound weight rating, a 33-inch wide seating area, an upgraded 4th-generation aluminum locking system, and a detachable cushion. It also includes a large cup holder, an eye mask and earplug set, and a breathable mesh with premium Texlan fabric. At $119.99, it sits at the premium end of the list, but targets users who want robust support for heavier individuals without sacrificing comfort or stability. In practice, the chair delivers body contouring support from head to toe, with a true zero-gravity position facilitated by an 8mm deep locking groove that reduces slippage risk. The cushion adds softness while allowing airflow when temperatures rise, and the wider footprint helps with stability. For camping or poolside use, the oversized dimensions and lock mechanism shine, though the chair is heavier to transport, 26.4 pounds, and may require a dedicated storage spot. The included accessories enhance travel readiness, but add extra weight to the packaged product. The Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Zero-Gravity Lounge Chair with Pillow is a solid, budget-friendly option with familiar textiline fabric, a powder-coated steel frame, and a 2-position reclining mechanism. Weighing in at 17.59 pounds, this chair is light for portability and folds flat for easy storage. The 300-pound weight capacity aligns with many entry-level models, and the navy blue color with a padded headrest provides a clean aesthetic suitable for most outdoor spaces. From a user experience standpoint, the chair offers straightforward reclining with 2 positions and a cushion included for comfort. The double bungee support system helps secure the fabric to the frame, contributing to predictable performance over time. However, despite being foldable, the model is not designed to fold flat for luggage-style transport, and the overall depth and seat height may feel compact for larger users. The 60.2 by 33.9-inch reclined footprint is manageable for most patios, but could feel bulky in tight spaces. Product number 4. SUTEC Zero-Gravity Chair. This SUTEC model emphasizes versatility with a 440-pound maximum weight capacity, a 40mm steel frame, and upgraded lock with an 8mm groove system for secure positioning. It includes a removable cushion, cup holder, headrest, and a 3-position recline, allowing more angle flexibility, which helps when using it across different environments, from deck to campsite. Real-world use highlights include better stability in uneven ground due to the wider base and the 3-position recline, improving comfort for longer sessions. The cushion adds comfort but is detachable for airflow and hot weather. A potential drawback is the longer unpack time due to being vacuum-packed. Users should let it decompress fully before use. The chair's 19-pound weight helps with mobility, but the extra cushions and accessories raise overall package weight for transport. Product number 5. Amazon Basics Outdoor Patio Zero Gravity Lounge Chair with Pillow. This beige Amazon Basics model mirrors the navy version with a similar 26-inch size, textiline fabric, and a padded headrest. It shares a foldable design, 2 reclining positions, and a 300-pound weight capacity, making it a close sibling to the blue variant. The beige color provides a neutral option that blends with light outdoor decor and is easy to pair with existing cushions. In practice, the chair offers reliable, everyday comfort at a budget-friendly price with a flexible reclining mechanism and a foldable footprint. The included cushion aids comfort, but like the blue model, it isn't designed to fold completely flat for compact storage. Users with larger frames might prefer the XXL or premium options, as this model's 26-inch seat width can feel tighter for broad shoulders or hips. Overall, it delivers dependable value for casual, occasional use.